Not all essential oils are safe to use around kids or pets. That's why we came up with our new Homebody Blend. This blend is made up of essential oils that are generally considered safe to use around kids and pets. Let's talk about this blend and how to use it. This blend is made up of homewood, amyris, copaiba, and vetiver. It has a calming, fresh, and herbal aroma that helps make you feel at home. We love using this blend in cleaning recipes like our carpet powder, and also in the diffuser and in our new lotion base. What I love about this blend is you can put it in the diffuser or apply it to your skin with confidence because it's unlikely to bother children or pets. Let's make sure you know how to use this blend safely. This essential oil blend is generally safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. It's generally non-irritating on the skin when it's properly diluted. For a dilution chart, check out the link in our description box. And this blend is also pet safe. You can put it in the diffuser and use it around your pets without worrying that it's going to bother them. But always be cautious and be mindful of your pet's behavior and leave a door open so that your pet can leave if the aroma disturbs them. To get Homebody Essential Oil Blend today, go to simplyearth.com. Thanks for watching. It has a calming herbal aroma, which is very homey smelling.